Hi, I'm Elijah Mounts with Mount It Pro. I'm the product manager here at InfoComm 2026, and today we're going to be looking at one of our newest medical carts. So this medical cart here is perfect for hospital environments. It has an antimicrobial coating on that, so that way it can be wiped down and kept sterilized very easily. We have a gas spring, so we can adjust the height to the user's preference. I'll show you that right now. And on top of that, we've partnered with the company Elora, and we're using a hot swappable battery. So this battery will power the entire cart. You can run your mini PC, monitors, laptops, tablets. Everything can be basically self-sustained power on here. And what's nice about that is that you don't have to worry about any power cables coming off the cart, and you can just freely move it to different rooms or reposition it as needed. On top of that, we have a keyboard tray and storage compartments as well. For more information, you can visit us on our website at www.mount-it.pro. Thank you.